Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys 4-digit password means pin lock setting. How to set pin lock, how to set up pin lock one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo phone device. So friends, in your oppo mobile, click here password biometric setting. After password biometric setting friends, click here set lock screen password, and guys wait for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds guys, read this notice and remember your password. If you forget your password, you cannot unlock your phone. Continue, and friends click here use a different password type. And friends, you can set pattern lock, you can use 4-digit password, you can use 4 to 16-digit password, and you can use name password lock. So friends, I will select 4-digit password. And friends, remember your password, don't do any mistake, be careful. Friends, my password is 4321. Use 4321. Friends, you want to add fingerprint lock, you can add fingerprint lock. Friends, lock your screen. And friends, you want to unlock your oppo mobile, enter password, you can unlock your phone 4321 and your phone will unlock. So like that way you can set pin lock password, you can use 4-digit password in your oppo mobile. And friends, you don't want to use, you want to change, you want to remove your lock screen password. So like how to change and remove lock screen password? Open your phone password setting again, click your lock screen password, enter your password first. You want to remove password, so friends click here. You want to modify your password, you want to change your password, so friends click here enter old password. And friends, we will select new password, click here 4-digit password, and I will use 2580 2580. And friends, now your password will change. You can check on lock screen of your phone. You want to unlock your phone, if you enter your old password 4321, you cannot unlock your oppo mobile. Friends, enter new password 2580 and you can unlock your mobile. So like that we can set and change pin lock password, 4-digit password in oppo mobile. And friends, you don't want to change, you want to remove, so again open your phone password setting, open your phone lock screen password, enter password. After enter password, click here turn off password, again enter password, and friends, your password will remove and you cannot use 4-digit password on lock screen. You want to unlock your oppo mobile, so friends swipe here, you can unlock your phone without 4-digit password. So like that way we can set up 4-digit password in oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.